So this question is based on the components in 2 dimensions. It says, write a unit vector making angle of 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis in the xy plane. Now, I know that diagrams make questions easier to understand. So, if this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is O point, what do I have? I have a unit vector that I have to derive or find out. Let me see that I have been given 30-degree angle with the positive direction of the x-axis. Now, when this is associated with 30 degrees angles and I have xy plane, now in xy plane I know that if I have to find out the components in 2 dimensions, one component should be along the x-axis, the other component should be along the y-axis. Suppose this is the point P. How do I write OP? OP is nothing but xi cap plus yj cap, where x and y are individually the components along the x-axis and y-axis respectively of this given vector. Now, when I know about everything, now this story should not be complete until and unless I actually frame the triangle in order to find out the desired components. So, what would this component be like and what would this component be like? So, if this is point A, this is point B, please throw more light into this. Now, this OA is actually a part of this triangle OAP. Now, if you forget vectors, this is simply a question of trigonometry. So, what is OA? Your OA is equal to what? It is basically OP cos 30 degree. And what is your OB? It is equal to OP sin 30 degree. Now, how to do this question? Let's move to this question statement again. It says, write a unit vector making angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis in the xy plane. So, the answer should be what? It should be OP vector is equal to x I cap plus yj cap. What is x? I know cos 30 degree is what I need to suppose. Now, cos 30 is 1 by 2. OP being a unit vector has magnitude 1. So, it should be 1 by 2, right? I cap plus, sorry, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. I am so sorry for that. And sin 30 is 1 by 2. So, it is 1 by 2 here, j cap. So, the answer is root 3 I cap upon 2 plus j cap upon 2.